Ikaw ba ay nagnenegosyo right now o pumapasok sa larangan ng pagbebenta? Ang question, is your business growing or is your business dying? Kung gusto niyo malaman, in this session, we're going to talk about the 10 signs if your business is dying.
Videos that will make you wealthy and debt-free.
Hi there, this is Shinky Tan, your pambansang wealth coach. Thank you very much for joining in this channel. Itong channel ng mga ipunaryo at mga paunlad. Itong session na ito are for people who are already in sales and in business. Okay? Pag hindi ka pa sa negosyo at wala ka pa sa business, I don't think this will be applicable to you. But if you want to learn, hang on and then pakinggan mo muna. Okay, let's talk about business. Ang goal ng isang business is to earn and profit. Do you agree? Type agree in the comment section if you agree. Ang goal natin hindi lang survival mode, ang goal natin is to thrive. Ang goal natin hindi lang makabayad ng bills, ang goal natin para kumita. Walang masama kung kumikita ng tama. Kaya nga, ang problema, minsan, kahit di na kumikita, pinaglalaban pa. Kasi nga, kawawa naman tao, kawawa empleyado, paano naman. You are not running a charity organization, but you are running a business. Ang goal ba, isara na lang? Yes, isasara mo, just in case kung kailangan isara. Pero, dapat ipagpatuloy mo, maghanap ka ng ibang opportunity para hindi mawalan ng pagkakakitaan ng mga tao. Nagigets nyo? Your existing business, you might need to close it right now because it's not anymore serving its goal and purpose, that's to earn and profit. That's the reason why you need to find another opportunity that will be able to sustain your goals and to be able to also help your employees. So right now, how would you know if your business is already dying? Okay? Simple lang. Number one, declining revenue. Imbis na pataas ang benta, pababa ang benta. Pag mayroong ilang buwan na ganyan na tuloy-tuloy, warning sign na yan. Warning sign na yan. Alam mo, simple lang naman. Alam mo in business, if your business not growing, your business is literally dying. Bakit? Pataas ang overhead, pero pag hindi tumataas ang iyong income at revenue, may problema ka. Number one. Number two, sign na may problema ka na at namamatay na negosyo mo, you have cash flow problems already. Nahirapan ka na magbayad ng bills, cover your expenses, mga sweldo ng tao, kailangan mo na talagang gumawa ng paraan. Yung dumudukot ka na sa sarili mong kita para ma-patch up lang to. Sign number 2 na yan. O, sino sa inyo nakaka-2-0 na? Type me. Dalawa palaga. Third sign ay talagang lumulobo na yung utang. Sa suppliers mo, hindi mo na alam paano mo siya babayaran, na-stress ka na. Yan, that's number 3 sign. Nako, may mga iba sa inyo habang sinasabi nyo, tinatamaan na kayo, umaaray na kayo. And then number 4, sign na medyo negosyo mo pababa, nababawasan ka na ng mga key customers mo. Lalo na yung mga nagbibigay sa inyo ng benta dati, lalo na nagsusupport ng malaki, ngayon bigla na lang sila yung mga malalaking clients na nawala na ngayon. That's another sign. Number 5 sign, may mga nagre-resign na. Kailangan mo talagang maghanap pa ng bago, di ba? Train ka ng bago kasi nga hindi na sila masaya, insecure na sila, nakikita nila na walang stability ang iyong company. At habang dinidescribe ko to, kung naka 5 ka na sa score, huwag kayong ma-depress. Huwag kayong ma-depress. May solution po tayo towards the end. Okay, pero bago tayo pumunta pa sa number 6, babatiin muna natin si Nana Miodera, okay, si Jovelyn Computo, at the same time si Shian Barrock. Number 6 sign na ikaw ay yung negosyo mo ay nanganganib na, madalas magkaroon ka ng operational issues. May problema ka na sa quality ng products mo, sa service, sa delivery, sa customer support. Nabawasan ang iyong mga customers mo. Number 7, kulang ka na rin sa product. Either understock ka, kulang, or overstock ka kasi nga walang bumibili. So, pero may babayaran ka mga suppliers. That's number 7 sign. Number 8 sign na talagang nanganganib na yung negosyo mo. Wala na talagang umaasikaso sa customers nyo. Wala na sumasagot, tapos marami na nagko-complain, tapos sobra ka ng stress, hindi mo na alam kung anong gagawin mo. Number 9, mababa na ang moral. Number 1, ng tao mo, empleyado. Number 2, ng mga customers mo. And number 3, ikaw mismo. And number 10, nawawala na yung excitement mo, passion mo sa business. If I just describe 1 to 10 to you, anong score mo right now? Pakisulat lang from 1 to 10. Okay, ulitin natin na, check natin ulit. Bumababa ang benta, may cash flow problems ka na, may utang ka na, wala ka ng customer na babawasan, tapos empleyado mo, umaalis na. Number 6, may operational issue ka, overstock or understock ka. Or number 8, wala nang umaasikaso sa clients mo. Number 9, moral mo bumababa na. Number 10, nawawala na yung passion mo So, para sa mga taong nakaka-experience ito, huwag kayong mawalan ng pag-asa. Bakit? I always tell people, to every problem, there's always a solution. If you're not part of the solution, you're part of the problem. Do you agree? And that at times, especially if you are in the middle of the problem, it's so hard for you yourself to fix the problem. Kung talagang kaya mo lang masolve ang iyong problem right now with your business, matagal mo na solve. Do you agree? Yes or no? So, if you need help right now with your situation, na gusto mong someone to help you to step in order for you to be able to calibrate, to organize, or probably to restructure, to resurrect your business. Kaya nga parating ko sinasabi, if business not growing, your business is dying. If you want me, ko mismo, to help and diagnose you, parang ano lang an outsider, to really recognize ano ba yung main reason why your business is dying. Kung gusto mong buhayin ang negosyo mo, this is the good news. I want to offer you a free diagnostic test to know the root cause of the problem. So, again, this is only for people who have a business already. Gusto kong i-fill up mo tong form. This is a Google form. So, you just need put your name and everything. I will help you to look. But you need to answers para hindi na tayo magsayang ng oras. Lahat ng mga questions, sagutin mo lang. Multiple choice lang naman. May mga iba, susulat ka ng sentence para malaman natin ano bang punot dulo. And I will give you a free diagnostic, especially sa mga may negosyo. Kasi ang goal ko talaga, matulungan kayo na buhayin ang negosyo nyo. Tumakbo na before kumita ka naman. Pero ngayon, nagkakaproblema ka lang. Probably hindi mo lang kita. Pare, tulungan kita. Again, if you want, just go to this diagnostic test and then after that, we'll give you an evaluation. Sana naman nakatulong tong episode na ito, lalo sa mga taong may negosyo at nag-struggle ang negosyo. And then, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina po ang susi sa pagyaman.